So here we are, folks, in Ink Hotel in Dubai, in the waterfront. It has been a very, very amazing stay. We've been here 4 days now, and it's very convenient location. Plus, the room is very nice. Only thing is that it has a bit of a lack of storage. So we've been using this tea area for um, basically storage as well, and it's got just this, and it's very high up, so it's not very good for short people like me. And there is a safe and some more storage, so my husband uses that. And the bathroom is so nice, it's so well appointed, the tiles are so nice, and they have a very good shower, and they have this conditioner is super nice. It's the L'Occitane from France company. It's got a shower and a shower head and a large basin. It's been quite a nice experience to be staying in Ink Hotel. It is in the Jaddaf area in waterfront. This map shows you where you are. Very comfortable bed, very large and very comfortable bed, and excuse the mess. And it's got very nice view outside, and night and the daytime we just sleep with the curtains drawn, so we can enjoy the view as we fall asleep and as we wake up. Highly recommend this place.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.